Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah, boy.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a channel fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. Is this an eel?
Yeah!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yes!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a common fish? Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish? Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish. Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. Is this a zebra cichlid fish?
Yes!
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye!
Yeah! Woohoo!